Hello everyone, this is Dr. Namrata Agrawal, a critical care specialist at Borivali Healthcare, and today I want to talk about something very close to my heart as an ICU doctor, that is small wins inside the ICU. When a loved one is in ICU, families look for big improvements, but recovery from critical illness is slow, gradual, and the small milestones are often the ones that means the most. The first time a patient breathes without the ventilator, even for a few minutes, is a huge achievement. The first time they sit up after many days, the first time they open their eyes, squeeze a hand, follow a command, swallow water, or speak a single word. Each of these movements signal that the body is waking up, healing, and regaining strength. Critical illnesses affect every muscle, every organ, and even the mind. A patient who has been on ventilator may need days or weeks to learn simpler things. A patient who has been on a ventilator may need days or weeks to relearn simple things that we take for granted. Families often ask us why the progress is so slow. Why isn't he getting out of the ICU? But in ICU, slow is normal, slow is expected, and slow is still progress. We often say no news is good news. That is, if the patient is not worsening, that is a good news, and we need to celebrate that as a small win. Every small win tells us the body is fighting back. It may not look dramatic, but these tiny steps add up to the recovery. When we celebrate the small wins, we give the patient and family strength and hope. And hope is a very powerful medicine. So if your loved one is in ICU, look for these little signs. They matter more than you think. If this brought you comfort, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with anyone going through an ICU journey. You are not alone in this, and together we can navigate this with understanding and hope. Thank you.